What's up, YouTube? We're back. Round 2 of the No Expression Lemon Eating Challenge. Anderson knows it. We all know it. I'm still burping from it. All I taste is lemons. I did not take out the challenge the way I wanted to. I did not eat all of them like I wanted to. I did eat most of it, I think, with that expression. I have not actually gone back and watched the video yet. So hopefully my mad dog faces were actually mad dog faces and not sour faces. But, I'll find out. I'm sure you guys will tell me if I'm lying and I am believing something that didn't happen. But I think I did okay. We'll see. I have to go back and watch. But I did not succeed in what I wanted to do, so I did fail. And as a punishment, I think it's time to try some hot peanuts. So what we got here are ass-kicking Carolina Reaper peanuts. We all know how much I love Carolina Reapers. I've become quite accustomed to them in the last month. I've devoured powders. I've devoured dry pods in my spaghetti. I've been eating, I ate the one chunk challenge, I've tried a bunch of things now, so I feel like I'm getting accustomed to that kind of heat. I'm not sure what to expect from these. Honey salt, Carolina Reaper pepper is the second last ingredient, so let's see if these are going to be a challenge. Hopefully they are. I'm not going to eat the whole container, but we'll see how hot they are, and we'll see what they do with a given amount. Right away, I crack them open, and I can see they are quite coated. They look like beer nuts. And once again, just want you guys all to know that I don't open anything unless I'm opening it on camera. I want to try it and have a sincere reaction. I want my opinions to be real when they happen. So this is the first time I've opened this, and as you can see inside there, I hope you can all see it. They're quite roasted looking. They're obviously covered in honey and Reaper powder, but they look quite delicious. They almost look like beer nuts with not as much texture to them. So we tried the ghost pepper, the bomb nuts, and they were the bomb, I guess. They were hot. Were they the best peanut I ever had? No, but they had some good heat. But this I expect to be a step up. Because after this, what else can I do except maybe do the Death Nut Challenge? Anderson thinks I should do the Death Nut Challenge. So let's stop babbling. Let's see what these are like. And, I got a handful here. Let's see how they are. Click the subscribe button, please. Subscribe to the channel. They're good. Crunchy. Alright, so right away, there's a sweetness from the honey. There's a crunchiness to them. And now the heat's there. Okay. Those have some good heat. I think we'll do a little challenge here. Let's set a timer for 3 minutes. I'm going to eat peanuts for 3 minutes. We're going to talk about stuff. This is a made-up challenge. It's my rules. Champ's domain. So I'm going to eat Ghost Reaper. I'm going to eat Carolina Reaper peanuts here. And we're going to talk. So, as I mentioned in the past video, big fight tonight. Amir Khan versus Terrence Crawford. And Terrence Crawford's a great champion. Amir Khan's a pretty accomplished boxer. I think at this point, though, he's got a reputation of having a glass jaw. Not like me. But I give him credit. He's taken on some tough fights. He took on Canelo. Canelo's out of his world. One champ recognizes the greatness of another. Canelo is one of the best fighters of all time. I think he's starting to prove that. And killed Khan. And Terrence Crawford's another one of those guys that he can do a lot of damage. And I think, by the way, he's starting to get hot. But not like, this is like a 1. I think Terrence Crawford's a great boxer of probably superior skills to Khan. So I don't expect him to have much trouble. Terrence Crawford's also one of the best of all time. He's starting to get up there. And I think he'll prove that one day. So these nuts are tasty. They're really good. I don't know if this is a punishment. I like it. Have you guys tried these nuts? Tell me what you think. I think these would be too hot for the average person, for a normal person. But I'm not a normal person. I think a normal person would definitely struggle with these. Well, there are, but eating peanuts for 3 minutes. So we'll take some more. Well, one mouthful will end it. That last mouthful's got a pretty good one. Some stuff into it. These are punishing though. I mean, I think I'm gonna be honest now because what I've been eating the last couple of weeks. I just made a spaghetti sauce this week that had 11 Scotch bonnets and 2 dried Carolina Reapers in it. And by the time I was finished with that, the sweating had calmed down quite a lot. He's definitely, they have more kick than the bomb. I don't know if they're hotter than the bomb. I'm starting to sweat now. Yeah, oh yeah, I'm sweating. I guess that's a kind of a punishment then. I think maybe the heat's for a 1.5 maybe for me. It's not intense. It's nice. The flavor's great. The honey is great. These are really crunchy nuts. I think that if you were to consider these or the bomb ones, the bomb you might want to get for the novelty of the name because of the show hot ones. But to me, I think this is a better purchase. The nuts are crunchy. They seem fresher. The flavor's there. The honey, you can definitely get the sweetness from that. And there's definitely Reaper heat. It's building. It's not intense. If I was to do an afterburn here, I don't think it would be a big deal. I think it'd already be fading. But no, they did give me a good sweat. That's one of the hotter snacks I've had, so that's pretty cool. Yeah. Ass-kicking Carolina Reaper peanuts. Honey peanuts. Kick your ass hot. I don't think they kick my ass like the lemons did, but these are pretty good. And I would definitely recommend eating these. And I definitely will get these again. I got these from chilichilds.com for Canadians out there. I got some sweat running down there. No, I don't. It just feels like I do. Yeah, so Canadians, if you want to buy this, it's on chilichilds.com. Americans, I'm sure you can get it everywhere. These are good. Highly recommend them if you want a spicy snack. These definitely have some kick. They're tasty, they're delicious. I would definitely keep these around like I'm going to keep around the chocolate bar from hell. This is something I would reach for during a fight night or a Leaf game or some kind of sporting event for sure. So, yeah, I think that was good. That was a good kind of punishment, wouldn't you say? I think the lemons were actually the punishment for today. If we had stopped at 4, I think I would have been fine. But wasn't meant to be today. Anyways, I'm still the champ. I proved that I can handle the heat. And I proved that I can handle, I think, an insane amount of lemons for a guy that doesn't eat stuff like that. So, if somebody's got something to say, let's see you do better. I don't think you will. Anyways, I'm always open to new challenges. You guys make sure you challenge me if you got something for me. If you got hot stuff like this that you want me to get or want to send to me or whatever, get in touch with me. I'm open to new suggestions. I do have a good one coming. And like I said, if we get to 150 subscribers by you guys clicking this button over here, if we get to 150, we're going to do the Mother of All Bars celebration. So with all that being said, I'd like to thank everybody for tuning in, subscribing. I love that everybody's commenting and giving me likes. So, keep that up too. Say what you got to say. We'll talk. And, I'll be back next week with maybe some ghost peppers. That's what I'm told I might have. So we'll see what's going to happen. But make sure you tune in. And meanwhile, if you want to watch the last video or one of the other videos, click those buttons there. Check out some of the stuff on the channel. And like I said, if you haven't, subscribe. Or subscribe, I guess, with that button there. But thanks for watching. I appreciate all of you. And we'll be back next week.